As a woman with very thick hair, I'm going to tell you if this TikTok shop product is worth it or just a fad. Everyone is saying how this Yuli hair dryer is cutting down their hair drying time by half. But actually, having just used it, my hair is actually way smoother and less frizzy than normal. Not only did it take my drying time from 15 minutes down to 5 minutes, I could also just take a flat iron and straighten my ends and be good. There are 4 different temperature settings at the touch of a button right here, and then also it has a high and low airflow speed. As a mom who doesn't have a lot of getting ready time, this Yuli hair dryer is absolutely worth it. There is free shipping and it's on sale right now. I linked it below if you want to check it out for yourself.